Capital isn't that important in business. Experience isn't that important. You can get both of these things. What is important are ideas. This is by Harvey S. Firestone, founder of Firestone Tie and Rubber Company. All right, good morning. My name is Victor Kwejiri, a business success coach and consultant. Once again, I come here with Business Building Block, episode 37 for 2026. And I hope your week is going great. All right, so if you believe you are incapable of coming up with ideas, then you won't come up with any. You will need to put aside any negativity about yourself and your capacity to be creative. Ideas can come from anywhere, and some of the best ideas seem quite unrealistic or impossible based on your current knowledge, experience, and assumptions. Step out and expose yourself to new environments, activities, and events outside your usual. You'll be surprised at what and how that can inspire you. Ultimately, never forget that your passion for creativity is key to your success as an entrepreneur, whether you are just starting or you're an existing one seeking to grow. Thank you once again, and I hope this inspired you. Just before you go, as a business coach and consultant, I'll be more than glad to help you in exploring opportunities, ideas, starting a new business, writing a business plan, seeking investor support. And if you're already an existing business seeking to grow and expand into new markets and do research and get to know your clients better, get to understand how to serve them better, get in touch. I'll be more than glad to help you. And also get ready for the podcast, which is soon to launch. It's going to be very informative, very insightful and educative. And finally, if you desire to become a published author this year and seek to write your book this year, sign up for the book writing workshop. Check the description section for the link to how to sign up. And you are going to learn a lot. We had a first session in January, which was very successful. And this second edition is by popular request. I'm going to share great tips with you on 10 steps and strategies on how to write your book in 10 days. I've written 13 books, published 8 books to date, and helped so many other authors write their books and publish them as well. And if you desire to publish your book as well, you already have got a ready manuscript and desire to publish it, do not hesitate to reach out to us. We're more than glad to help you as successful book publishers who have a 100% success rate. Thank you once again. If you like this video, like, share, let us know your thoughts in the comment section as well. And do not hesitate to subscribe to the channel. Thank you once again. God richly bless you.